Hey guys, hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shita and this is my academy. And in this video, you all guys know that by seeing the thumbnail, I am going to share an unboxing video with you. It's two colors. It is recently new in the store, so I had placed this order from Flipkart. So this is what I get today itself, and now to do unboxing. You can see here is that scanning part. If you want that, can. Okay, so let's see what is here. Okay, so this has been bounded by all tapes and all. So here I am going to open it with a cutter. You can see this one is what I had seen in the Google and on many of the videos. So let's see if I had get that or not. It is packed with all of the polythenes and all. Let's open it. So this is what actually it is. It had written there brustro artist color pencils. So see it with more closer. See, it had been written as 72 sets of colors. So let's see it more closer. Let's go. So this is written brustro artist color pencils written here. 40 mm thick leaves, soft wax braided coats, highly pigmented and break resistance, and excellent light performance, fade resistance, mainly with rich leather, small and paper, board or canvas, is non-toxic and environment friendly. So it is all of 72 sets. Okay, here it's written. There is also written the same which we had written in earlier, and here what the color shades and all are available. There are not double, but instead it has been given various kind of shades which we usually want in the drawing. Okay, so here you can see the numbers are and color names are also given and of different shades. So now going at the downward, a product of creative hands, art material PVT, PCD, Access Mill, Ashkot, Kolkata. So it had been creative hands here written, and the upper part. Every shades of brustro artist color pencil has been formulated and resistance to UV rays, range coverage and mixing capacity allows for different application. The drawing laying while the softness and less stable blend. So this is what all had written here. If you want to purchase, I will surely colors repackaged. So you can see here all the colors are having of different shades. So here is what the colors are, and now go for it. So you can see here are some holding parts given to us for holding. So it is very comfortable for us to hold the pencils and all, and it will not fall away. So let's open it. You can see. Okay, so now it is in 3 parts. So I'm showing you like this. You can see 3 parts, so that in each part there is 24 shades of colors, you can see. And here you can see that given a different kind of skin tones, whatever so you want. So यहाँ different types of skin tones के लिए आपको कुछ और करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Here is given one kind of skin tones, like 3. There are 3 boxes in each, 24 shades of pencil. If you want to purchase it offline and want to get the same brand, it is not possible. I had go for it, but recently I purchased it from online because it is not possible enough. So you can see here is much 24, 24 and 72 shades of color. You can see it is in cylindrical form, and it is very easy for you to write and do color whatever so you want. Now here I'm telling you, now it's time to test how these colors actually work on. So here I'm taking a sheet. I'm bringing 2 of the sheets. One is in black and white. So here I'm taking a brown color. It's dark brown, I think so. So now I'm going to test it like this. It's too soft, and it's too soft and blending. So you can see, if you would like to write with this, you will feel very comfortable and not like too soft and really is blending every page. So this is very soft. I will it is not like all colors, it's too soft. It is very useful and blending. So soon I will be uploading this video. So this is the preview of what I had purchased. You can see. Soon I will be uploading a video with this. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more new videos and updates. Please hit the bell icon so never miss any updates from my YouTube channel, and please like the video because it It will be a lot to me. Thank you.